Hello everyone. Today is the 11th day of my discipline marathon. Reflecting on yesterday, unfortunately, I missed one point of my minimum plan. This is math exercise. Now I'm wondering if this means the 30-day discipline marathon experiment is failure. I don't think so, because I think the key criteria for this marathon are abstaining from porn and sugar, and I've stayed fully committed to, to those. As for math, I plan to make up for it by doubling time today. Once again, I want to return to the topic of balances sleep. Yesterday, I only slept for 6 hours, and today my energy at work hasn't been great. However, thanks to the boost from my sugar-free diet, I am managing to deal with this tiredness. In short, journey toward becoming the best version of myself uh, is above all about paying attention to the small details. And if you're working, probably managing your time is absolutely essential. Every minute count. Nevertheless, I'm proud to emphasize that marathon continue. As always, everything worked out for me in the best possible way because my universe take care of me even then I don't want it to. Everything is going exactly as it should. Thanks and see you tomorrow.